Piped natural gas or PNG is not just for cooking. It is a versatile energy source that is quietly powering homes, institutions, and industries in smarter ways. In residential spaces, PNG fuels water heaters and space heaters, offering instant warmth without high electricity bills or bulky cylinders. In commercial setups like hospitals and laundromats, PNG powers boilers and steam generators for efficient cleaning and sterilization. Food businesses and bakeries use PNG for ovens and grills, benefiting from consistent heat and cleaner operations. Even small-scale industries rely on PNG for processes like textile dyeing and ceramic firing, where controlled combustion is key. MeghaGas also supports community kitchens and educational institutions with PNG connections, promoting sustainable development and safer infrastructure. With uninterrupted supply, lower emissions, and cost effective delivery, PNG is redefining energy use across sectors.